Hello traders, today is January 2nd, 2024, the first trading day of the year. Now I want to take a look at the Autopilot trading system. Typically I like to start it after 10 o'clock, so we're in a long position currently. Now if you like these videos, subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel and don't forget to opt in to a free member account at DayTradeToWin.com. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So currently we're in a trade long $375. A lot of times traders that are using the system like to close the position, especially as you can see the market's beginning to go flat or sideways. It's kind of range bound. So this is a great opportunity if you are using the Autopilot trading system to close the position. You can bank your money. We have a profit target, which is about 80 ticks in this case. It's 100 ticks to the short side, 80 ticks to the long side. So our goal is really to try to reach, with a trailing stop, the largest target possible. Previously, right at about 950 or so, you'll see a winning trade and a losing trade. So if the losing trades are small, you get out of the trade right away, or if the market starts to go in your favor, we like to trail a stop using the trade management of the Autopilot trading system. Now, the trailing stop is our friend, the break even is our friend, and volatility is our friend, because when the market takes off, we want to have those larger profit targets. If it doesn't work, we have that trailing stop to protect us. This morning when I checked the volatility, the volume, I like to use the ATR. I could see that the volatility was higher than normal when you compare it to the holiday of Christmas and of the New Year's. Now, since this trade is going to be a winning trade regardless, let me show you what happened on the next trade. All right, so here we are about 10:26. The trade is over, successful, was a winning trade, and now it's setting up, the Autopilot trading system is setting up for the next trade. So now what it's going to do, it's going to bracket off both a long and a short to see which way the market is going to move, and it was a short. So in this case, the market entered short. Previously, it was a long opportunity. Now, at about 10:27, it was a short trade, 10:27 Eastern Standard New York time on the E-mini S&P. As you can see, the target is about 100 ticks below. And so our goal, how this is going to work, is either a stop. The stop's tight. It's about 12 to 16 ticks in this example. Or it's going to hit the target of 100 ticks. Or lastly, once it starts moving in your favor, it'll trail a stop and then it'll start protecting you, and you'll still get out ahead or become ahead with a winning profitable trade if it reverses on the trailing stop. So we have a couple of options here, and I'm going to see what's going to happen. Let this play out. Now, as we wait to see what's going to happen with this trade, will it go into our profit target all the way down to 47.53? Will it hit our trailing stop? Will we get stopped out? I'm going to explain to you the back end of version 4 of the Autopilot trading system. I'm going to show you the back end here. Now the system is unlocked, so all of the settings that you're seeing can be adjusted, and if you're trading during different times, for example, I like to trade after 10 o'clock, so I have it set to enabled start and end between 10 o'clock and 1 o'clock New York time. Now that's not for everybody. You can trade pre-market, you can trade after or more hours, but these are the times that I like to trade. Also, the trailing stop and the break even, these are very important aspects of the trading system, and you can adjust them as you see fit to the markets that you want to trade. If you want to trade with a larger trailing stop or a break even that's tighter, you can go ahead and update that. And lastly, you have the daily profit and loss for the day. This is also good because it'll stop trading once it reaches a certain amount of money. So for example, right now it's $220, let's say, or $150. If that's all you want for the day, for the goal, it will stop trading and it'll say this is all he wants or she wants for the day, and the system will stop and not continue until you turn it back on. Now, if you're interested in the Autopilot trading system, we offer it as a monthly, and it's also included with accelerated mentorship, which has all our software in one discounted package. Remember to check your email. We have promotions all the time, and the trailing stop was just hit For me, it's $100, so it's fantastic. Profit is profit regardless of what it is. And now the system will try once again to get into the market based on the rules of the system. So we're going to see now another opportunity. Visit DayTradeToWin.com, get a free member account, check your email for the next training for our clients and for our free members. Until next time, good trading.